Okay, so Kaden, unfold it for me again. Put it in half. Unfold it. Really neat. Okay. And make it half. Go ahead. Okay, in half. Really neat. Make sure. Okay, make sure the corners meet. Are you all watching? Yeah, they're doing a great job, right? Come on, Kaden, put it on the table.
Then put it on the table.
Good, good. See, you have to be strategic. Okay, now bring the corners to the other corners. Okay. So, Kaden, you're doing your own thing, dude. No, unfold it again. Yes, bring it all the way. Make sure the corners meet. So push it back up on the chair, on the table. Okay. Yeah, make sure the corners meet. Have a seat. Good job, Kaden. Make it neat and flat. So okay, so are those two corners meeting? Okay. Good, now. Good job, ladies. Woo! Look at you. Good job. Okay, now, Kaden, we're going to fold that in half. All the way. Good job. Woo! Now turn it over. I'm coming, boo-boo. Turn it over. Make that, yeah, where it's still neat. Yeah, make it neat. Okay, then fold it in half. That's pretty good, Kaden. Good job. Give yourselves a hand. Give him a hand. Good job. You did it by yourself.